Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to another Scratch tutorial. In the last Scratch tutorial, oh actually that doesn't even matter, this is a new series. Alright, so, this Scratch tutorial I'm going to be teaching you is going to be a multiple part series about a zombie survival game. Yeah. We're going to have a bunch of stuff such as, movement, multiple maps, saving data. That's a big one. Saving data, multiple kinds of zombies, multiple kinds of guns, upgrading guns, class creation, high score systems, and maybe, I can't stress enough how maybe this is, a co-op system so you can play with one other player. When I say play with another player, I don't mean on the same system. I mean like on two different computers. Maybe that'll happen. I'm not 100% sure on that. I'm pretty sure I know how I can figure that. I'm pretty sure I know how to do that. Haven't gotten to the point where I'm testing it yet, but I'm pretty sure I know how to do it. Anyways, we're gonna start from the beginning though on our zombie game tutorial. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Let's start by deleting the little cat man, and bam, now we have nothing. So how do we want to start this off? I like to start off by making a title screen. That's me. This is, by the way, this is going to be my process of making a game from start to finish. So there's going to be a lot of in order stuff. This is just how I prefer to do it. So let's start by making a title screen. Let's make like the title screen this dark green. I think that looks nice. And then let's do pixel and make it in green. Zombie survival. Look at that. And we'll put that up in the corner just like that. And then I'll do what I always do and do since I'm on my DK tutorial account, I'll do that. DK tutorial. Oh my goodness. And just gonna pop that right up there in the bottom just like that. That's how I do that. Wait, I'd name it though. Title screen. Sorry for your noises. There's an office below me. Anyways, now that we've done that, we'll make a new sprite, and I'll call it the play button. And then I'll make the little play button. Not gonna be anything super spectacular, just a very, very basic kind of thing. Play. Just like that. Look at that. Beautiful. Have a play button. And because I feel like making it kind of nice looking, I feel like making it nice. I'll put like one of these green effects on it. Just like that. Then, when the green flag is clicked, go to there. Show. Then, forever. Put an if else. Touching mouse pointer. Switch to costume 2, if else, switch to costume 1. Hit play, and we got this kind of thing. I think if you watch my cookie clicker tutorial, I covered this exact thing. That's why I went through that pretty fast. Anyways. Now, we will do the sprite clicked. When I receive sprite clicked, broadcast, map, select, and hide. And now we'll make a new backdrop for the, level selecting, which map we want to choose. I'm only going to be making one map probably, but if you wanted to make more, who knows. We'll put like maps. Put that up in the corner. We'll call this maps. I can't spell. There we go. And then also, when the green flag is clicked, switch to oh, not that, my goodness. Switch backdrop to title screen, and when the sprite is clicked, switch to map. So now we have this. Pretty basic. Now let me make a new button called the map button. And I'm not gonna like come up with a name for it. No, I will. I'll make a name. It'll be like that. We'll call it like bunker. Yeah, that's good. Look at that. Let's put it where it should be, which I'd say right there looks fine. So under map button, I still didn't spell map right. When the green flag is clicked, hide. When I receive map select, go to here and show. So now we got this. Boop. Cool. Duplicate, and I'll do that same green effect that I really like doing on stuff like this. I'm just gonna copy it from here and put it in there. Oh my god, that didn't work. Boop. There it is. Nice. Okay, now we can finally start. Well, not quite. When this sprite click, broadcast, create class, for where we'll be creating our class. Make another backdrop. And, oh, not surprised. Oh, hey, that'd be nice. And we'll say create class. Put it up there. There we go. Oh. And we'll call this backdrop create class. And in this button, switch backdrop to create class when we hit the bunker button. So boom, play, bunker, create class. Alright, here we go. Now, it's select what we want to have in our create class. Starter weapon. We'll have a starter weapon for sure. We'll do, well, we won't start with a secondary. We'll do like equipment. Equipment. That's not how you spell equipment. Equipment. I was right the first time. Equipment. We'll do like 2 perks. Perk 1. Perk 2. This is really like Call of Duty. Honestly, that's what I'm going for. Perk 1. Perk 2. Then I'll also do a difficulty. I know it's not a class thing, but you know, whatever. Put that down a bit more. Okay, yeah, cool. Yep, I like that. So now I need to make some variables. 1 starter. I'm going to show that, just set it to that and put it right there. 1 called equipment. Double click it to make it big and put it there. Perk 1. Put it there. And perk 2. Oh yeah, one more. Difficulty. There we go. Cool. What is this sprite? What did I have going on here? Alright. Our change buttons. I'm just gonna make this little tiny button right here. A little skinnier. Okay. I'm gonna fill that in white. Center it. Make it say really small in there. Change. Gotta make it look centered. There we go. Change. Oh, that's still really small. Oh boy. We'll put it like over here. Yeah, I'll put it over here. Because if I put it right here, well, it'll like go over top of the button. So, you know, let's do that. So I'll call it change starter. I'm going to duplicate it. Call this change equip. Duplicate it again. Change perk. Duplicate it again. Change perk 2. Duplicate it again. Change difficulty. Oop. There we go. And then I'm gonna do the thing that I always do, where we do a little green thing. Boop, boop. Oh my goodness. That's not on a new sprite. Duplicate. Doop, doop. I'm actually going to delete all these other ones then, because I haven't done that yet. So, when the green flag is clicked, hide. When I receive create class, I'm just going to grab this, put that in there. Show. Go to there. Same thing. Boom, boom. There we go. Cool. Now I'll start duplicating it. Change equip. Change perk 1. Change perk 2. Change difficulty. Alright, nice. Now I just gotta set these up. So this is perk 1. This is the equip. There we go. Perk 2. That means this must be difficulty. So, like that. There we go. Perfect. Now I actually have to set and make sure that these are their correct things. 196.47. 196.5. 196 negative 32. 196 negative 113. Let's try that. Boop, boop, boop. There they all are. And even if I move them around a bit. Boop, boop, boop. There they all are. Alright, cool. Inside the... I'll do it inside the play, just so it's easy to find. Inside the play, when the green flag is clicked... Whoa, what the heck? Okay. When the green flag is clicked, hide variable difficulty, hide variable equipment, hide variable perk 1, hide variable perk 2, hide variable starter, and then do its thing. Boop. Cool. Then when you receive the created class, show variable difficulty, show variable equipment, show variable perk 1, show variable perk 2, and show variable starter. So we start the game. Boop. Play. Bunker. Create a class. All the things show up. Boop, boop, boop. All that good stuff. Now we need to actually set up the changes. So we're going to make a list. I'm going to call it starters. Now how many starters are we going to want this game to have? I won't do a lot. So I'm going to keep this underneath the... No, I'll put it in the change starter. So when this sprite clicked, going to have it ask change starter question mark. Then we need to add stuff. So we'll add pistol to starters. We'll add... That could be another good thing to start with. Revolver. Starters. Shotgun. Starters. I think that's good. I think those three will be good. You can start with either a pistol, revolver, or a shotgun. I think that's fine. So we also have to add a delete all of starters when create a class is made, or when create a class is received. Also, we need to hide list starters when the green flag is clicked, and show it when the sprite is clicked. Alright. Boop boop. Change. Change starter, pistol. Change starter, pistol, revolver, shotgun. We'll have them type in the number corresponding right over here. So we'll have them do. Okay, then we'll do some if else. if I'll do an or right here. If answer equals 1 or pistol, if answer equals 1 or answer equals pistol, then set starter weapon to pistol. Else, if answer equals 2 or revolver, set starter to revolver. Else, if answer equals 3 or shotgun, set starter to shotgun. Alright, pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty gooch. I think I should also do a delete all of starters when the sprite is clicked. So you don't, like, because if we didn't have that, I could just, like, do this. And just keep adding a bunch of them. We don't want that. I'm going to put that in there. So that when we do that, boop, 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 boop. And see, it asks it a bunch if you keep spamming it, which is kind of annoying. But if they do that, that's their problem. And then otherwise, it'll say invalid. Let's have it say for 1 second, so that if they say something that's not even on that list, like they say 4, say invalid. If they said like invalid. Okay, cool, cool, cool. And then we'll also, with each one of these, hide starters, hide starter, hide starter, hide starter, hide starter above it, just so if it was below it, it'd say it and then hide it, but I'd rather it hide and then say it at the same time. Don't know why. That's just a me thing. Alright, so let's put in, actually, let's add in something for levels, right? So we'll make a variable called level. And we'll just like smack that in at the bottom. Or maybe where should we put it? Let's put it right there. Right there. Bam. Beautiful. So when the green flag is clicked, hide variable level. Well, actually, no, we should probably still show it. Yeah, we'll show it. We'll show it. Where is it? No, we'll show it. And instead we'll put the level thing right there. And okay, cool. And then when the play button's clicked, we'll just have it hide it. Have it hide level. There we go, cool. So so what we'll do here now is we'll set it to like, you'll see, okay. So we'll do like if less than, if level is less than so when should we unlock the revolver? Level like 10, let's say level 10. So if it's less than level 10, level's less than level 10, add pistol to starters. No, let's make this an if else actually. So an if else, boom, boom. If else, if level is less than, and when should we unlock shotgun? 25, let's say. So if level is less than 25, add pistol and add revolver to starters. And if else, if level is less than 101, max level will be 100. So 101, it will add all of them. Well, actually, technically, it's always less. Here's what I'll do. I'll do this. And if level is less than 10, actually no, if it's less than 10, it's just gonna be pistol. But if it's less than 25 and less than, so wait, if it's less than 25, no, yeah, if it's less than 25, it'll add both. Wait, yeah? No, if it's more. Okay, sorry. Wow. I just had a huge brain thing there. 24, which would mean level 25. If your level is 25, a lead pistol and that. And then if your level is greater than actually no, this would be 9 then. So if your level is greater than 9, it adds both. Then if your level is greater than 24, it'll add all 3. Okay, wow, my brain didn't work right there for a little bit. Else, if it's none of those, just still add all 3 of them. And then pop the question. But also in each of these, we're going to do, like right here, if level is greater than 9, then it'll add the revolver. Then right here, if level is greater than 24, it'll add all that stuff. Right. Actually, these need to be if else's. My goodness, I'm slow. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. This is my process when I don't have script. If else, hide list starters, say invalid. Get out of here. Boop, 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 boop. There we go. There's what we have. All that good stuff. Now let's see what that does. Let's see if that works. Is that a weapon? Yep, our level is 1 right now. Well, actually, do I even have it set as that? My goodness. When that's clicked, set level to 1. Oh, cool. So we have a level. It's what a minute. What? Oh, we haven't show the variable difficulty. No, don't show difficulty. Show level. There we go. Level 1. Play bunker that. Boom. Now we need to check if like our level was 10, meaning we have the revolver unlocked. Yep, it adds the revolver. And then if our level was 25, oh that's 35, 25, meaning we had the other one unlocked. Excuse me, that was gross. Excuse me. The level is greater than 24, which it is. At if level is great. Let me just make this a normal if then. If level is greater than 24. Let's try that. 25. Why isn't it adding all that? Oh, because it's greater than 9. Because this is greater than 9, so it's going to do that. And, so, if level is greater than 9, and level is less than 25. There we go. Alright, that'll fix it. That will fix it. This is why we test everything. There we go, now it has our shotgun. So we could do all of them now. Like, I could set it to 2. And then I'd set that to revolver, pistol, 3 shotgun. But let's say we're just level 1. And then, ooh, look at that. I have to fix that. So I can do that right now. So when I receive, create a class, set starter to pistol right off the bat. Okay, boop, boop, boop. There we go, it's pistol. So if you had to do like 2 or 3 to get our shotgun, it's invalid. It doesn't work because we're not that level yet. One more thing I want to try. 2. Alright, invalid as well. Alright, cool. Have that one done. Now, we'll put that entire script into equipment. Let's put it here. We need to make a new list. Call this list equipment. Nope. Call this equipment. I'm not gonna have many equipments either. I wouldn't assume. Okay. Okay. So these two. Show list equipment. Delete all of equipment. We'll do two equipments. We'll do two equipments. Let's say that. Do. So if level is less than... Well, how about you won't start off with an equipment. So if your level is greater than... We'll get the first equipment at level 5, let's say, right? If level is greater than 4, and no, that'll work. If I do that, and then make this just a normal if, get this if else out, and then run this one, it'll add both. And then also don't add pistol. Add, what should be the first equipment? Just like a grenade. Just a grenade. Add grenade to equipment. And if level is greater than... Let's say we'll get our next one at 30, so 29. If it's greater than 29, meaning if it's at 30, it adds... What should be the next one? We'll have it be like frag grenade. Oh. There we go. And then it'll change. Oop, I can't spell. Change equipment. If answer equals 1 or grenade, set equipment to grenade. Also, I have to set this now that I'm thinking about it. So if you create a class, set equipment to none. Alright. Back to this. And then hide list equipment. Okay. If answer is 2 or frag grenade. Okay, so if answer is 1, then I also need to do if else. If level's greater than 4, do that. Otherwise, hide list. Oh, not a starters. Equipment. Say invalid. Yep. If it's greater than, what did I say? 30? Yeah. 30, so this would be 29. Set equipment to frag grenade. And hide list equipment. Otherwise, hide list equipment. Say invalid. Yep. Good. And then it doesn't have this other one. Doesn't even have it. And then if else, say that. Cool. Now I have equipment stuff that's cool. Oh, that's another thing we have to fix. When the green flag is clicked, delete all of equipment, hide list equipment. Boop. That, there's nothing to change it to. Cool. So now let's say our... Gotta say our level was 5, where we have unlocked grenades. Now we can set it to grenade. Alright, cool. Now let's say our level was 30, to the point where we've unlocked a frag. Hit that. We have grenade and frag grenade, and then we can select frag grenade as our grenade. But if we don't have any of them unlocked, we can't say 2 to get a frag grenade, because it won't count anything. Alright, awesome. Now we have to do this to our perks. So perk 1. So we'll do perks. Here we go. This will be our perks thing. And just like that. I'm going to keep it above this so I can, like, you know, still see what it's going to say when also seeing the perks still. Know how I'm you know what I mean? Actually, I'll put it up here. Why not put it up here, right? I can. You can't stop me. And then they'll be able to still scroll through this list. Alright, cool. So when the green flag is clicked, delete all of perks and hide perks. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. So when the sprite clicks, show list perks, delete all of perks. And then we'll get our first perk at level 6, let's say. So if level is greater than 5, add, which should be our first perk, something like stamina up. So, you know, we run faster. Stamina up. Add stamina up to perks. We'll get our next perk at level 17. So if level is greater than 16, add, I don't know, what's another good perk? Come on, guys, you can think of something cool, right? What's a good perk, everybody? Come on, man. I'm waiting for you to say something. Not you, Mark. I don't. No, that perk's dumb, Mark. Don't tell me that one. Seriously, why can't I think of a perk? Oh my goodness, my brain is just not working. Am I serious? Am I serious right now? Am I seriously having this problem right now? Wow. We'll do like something that like reduces the cost of some things, right? We'll do that. Reduces cost of stuff. Cost efficient is what we'll call it. I don't think that's how you spell efficient. There's no way. Well, if it is, I'm sure. Let me misspell it on purpose. Okay, there we go. No, I was right. All right, cool. Add cost efficient, and another perk at level 29. So I'll set that to 28. So when we reach level 29, then this next perk will show up. This will be the last perk. We'll call it have like a electrical burst. Which we'll have that do is we'll have that. Oh, by the way, turn these both to perks. What we'll have that do is we'll have that one like so whenever a zombie hits us, after like a specific like maybe like a minute cooldown, whenever a zombie hits us, it'll send out a burst that'll blast all the zombies back a bit, so you can get time to run away, and it'll also do a little bit of damage. I think that sounds cool. Yes, and then ask. Change perks. Or no, change perk. Or I'll do change perk 1, actually. If answer equals 1, or stamina up. If level is greater than 5, set perk 1 to stamina up. But also check this, right? If we want to check if perk 2 equals that, because we don't want to be able to have 2 of the same perk on. So we'll check if perk 2, if perk, this needs to be if else. So if your level is greater than 5, it'll check if perk 2 has it. If perk 2 does have it, then it'll just do the hide list perks and say invalid. Otherwise, it'll add it to that and then hide things perks. Cool. Otherwise, it'll do that. And then if answer equals 2, or what is the name of the second one? Cost efficient. Efficient. Then if level is greater than 16, change. Level is greater if. Oh my goodness. If level is greater than 15. If level is greater. No, this does need to be this. Oh my goodness. I'm just having a bad day. Did I do this one too? Okay, no, I didn't. Hide perks. Say invalid for 1 second. So then if perk 2 equals cost efficient. Then hide list. This needs to be perks. Perks. Then hide list perks set. Not equipment. Set perk 1 to cost efficient. And hide list perks. Let's hide list perks. Change that to perks. We have one more to add still. Right? If else. Get that out of there for now. Put this in here because this is our third perk that we're setting up now. If answer equals 3 or electrical burst. If level is greater than 28. If perk 2 equals electrical burst. This perk set perk 1 to electric. Oh my goodness, electrical burst. It's not how you spell electrical. Electrical. There we go. This perk's otherwise that, and then put that in there. Beautiful, beautiful. I think I got that. Oh, that's something I gotta fix. When class create, set perk 1 to none. Boop, boop, boop. Here we go. Perk 1. We're level 1, so it's nothing. Set it to level 6. Level to 6. Boop, boop, boop. Boop. Not equipment. Stamina up is in there. We can set it to stamina up. Okay. Now if level is 17, we have both, and we can set it to cost efficient. And now if level is 29, boom, 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 electrical burst shows up. 3 to electrical burst. Alright, awesome. Now we will drag this entire script into change perks 2 and just swap up a bit of things. Like that, this will all be fine. Except we need to, in here, set perk 2 to none. So, yep, all this stays the same. Instead of this, perk 1, change perk 2. Fancy was at a 7 up, level 5, and change this perk 2 to perk 1. That stays the same. Change this perk 2 to perk 1. That stays the same. Change this perk 2 to perk 1. Change this perk 1 to perk 2. This perk 1 to perk 2. And this perk 1 to perk 2. Cool, let's see how that worked. Actually, I'm just going to set myself to unlock all of them. So, set level to 100. Okay, so have perk 1, and we'll set it to, let's say, cost efficient. Then we can set perk 2 to electrical burst, but let's say we want to set perk 1 back to stamina, and then set perk 2 to also stamina. It'll say invalid because you can't have both as the same perk. So if I try to change perk 1 to cost efficient while perk 2 is cost efficient, invalid. Cool. Finally, the last one to change is difficulties. So when I no, wait, hold on. Yeah, this is already right. So by default, we'll have difficulty set to like normal by default, because you know it's normal. Then we'll do if we'll have like a secret thing, like you get to like level 50 and you can do like insane mode. So if level not equal, my goodness. If level is greater than 49, which would be 50. So if level is 50 or above. There's one mosquito in my room right now. If level, oh my goodness. Add easy. We actually need to make the list. Difficulties. And then I'll just do like that so you can't click any of the other ones. Add that to difficulties, easy to difficulties, normal to, normal to difficulties, hard to difficulties, and insane to difficulties. Maybe make this an else. Else. Put that there. Put this here. If else, add every single one except insane. Just so if you're above level 50, you can have a fun little challenge for yourself. So when the green flag is clicked, delete all of difficulties. When this sprite's clicked, delete all of difficulties. And then also hide list difficulties. When the sprite's clicked, show difficulties. And then we have to ask to change difficulties. So change difficulty. Then we need to do an if else. Put an or equals answer equals 1 or easy. Then set difficulty to easy and hide list difficulties. If else, the answer equals 2 or normal, set difficulty to normal and hide list difficulties. Else, if answer equals 3 or hard, set difficulty to hard. And then one more, if it's 4 or insane. If else, if level is greater than 49, add to that. Otherwise, hide list difficulties, say for 1 second, invalid. And then otherwise, if else again, difficulties invalid. So we start the game up. We want to change our difficulty. We can do all 3 that we want. We can do these 3. Right? But as a bonus perk, if your level is 50 or above, like it is, you can play as insane. Did I not change that? I did not. Okay. Insane. There we go. But if we are just a measly level 1 and we try to play level 4 insane mode, invalid. It's not a thing. And finally, last thing I want to add this episode is the start button, which would then, begin the actual level, which would now begin the mass chaos and begin the most beautiful of games. Alright. Oh. Start. That's good. I'll put it there, that's fine. Doesn't need to look perfect. Doesn't need to look perfect. We'll do the little green effect on it. Boop, 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 boop. When the green flag clicked, go to here, hide. When I receive create class, go to here, and show. And then also forever. Oh my goodness, what am I went blank for a second. Forever. If touching mouse pointer, switch to costume 2. If else, switch to costume 1. What are you doing over there? What are you doing over there? Oh, that's that. Wait, what? I'm confused now. So 196 1 negative 133. Oh wait, why are you going over there? Don't go over there. Okay, that should. I'm confused on why I had to do that. Whatever. Alright, -1, 68. -1, 54. Alright. Put that there. Boop, boop, boop. We got difficulty easy because we're babies. And then we just start. And then we start all the goodness. So let me just put that up real quick. So when the sprite clicked, broadcast. Oh, that's not how you're supposed to start. Start. And hide. Then in every single one of these, when I receive start, hide, put that in perks, equipment, start, and then also I'll add we'll hide every single list in case one of your lists are opened. Like if you had a list opened and you hit start, it wouldn't keep the list sitting there. And then we'll also hide all these variables, so variable difficulty, variable equipment, variable level, in case for some reason it's still showing. Variable perk 1, oh, not that. Variable perk 1, variable perk 2, variable starter. That should fix that entirely. Let's see. Play, bunker. You have one open. Start. Alright. It fixes that. It just does the question thing there, and you just have to click that. Cool. One more thing I want to add. One more. When you choose, make a new variable called map. And when I receive map, select by default, set map to bunker. Just by default, because it'll be like the normal one. And then when this sprite clicked, just another set map to bunker. That's the thing if you wanted to have multiple maps. Alright, this is a long video. It's been 47 minutes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is on how to make a basic zombies game with, so far we have a basic create a class system. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, then like it. If you didn't like it anyways, because I will gladly be making more of this series, and this game will eventually become completely playable. I will not be putting this one out before it is done, like my normal tutorials, just because, I don't know. I just won't be. If you enjoy my content and would like to see more of it, please consider subscribing. That would help me out a lot. I just hit 250 subscribers today. That's amazing. We're at a quarter of 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, I think that's super cool. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.